What's up, guys? We have just received 8 Lopohpora Williamsii peyote cactuses, 2 different varieties, the Rio Grande and the Oso variety. And so we're gonna unbox and plant them, and we're super excited to start our little miniature peyote farm. Ooh, my beautiful assistant. Got here toilet paper. Alright, this is our substrate. The big rocks are for the bottom of the pot, just for keeping these from falling out. And then we have 2 pots. Each will contain 4 peyote cactuses. They only get about 5 inches in diameter. So they will remain probably in these little pots for quite a long time. Oso and Rio Grande, I suppose. All right, so we have 8. And you want to unwrap one? We can get our first look at these beautiful sacred cacti. Oh wow. Okay, so that's the El Oso. Alright, so we're going to place the large stones in the bottom, split it half and half. You have to position the cactuses first and fill up around them, right up to the base of the green part. I think mine are probably too close to the edge now. And if you need to move them around, he said to use a pin or something and just very gently sort of sort them. These are actually 4-year-old cactuses. After planting, you want to wait 3 to 4 weeks before watering. Alright, so let's check out the Texas variety now. Almost completely identical. It's hard to believe these are 4-year-old plants from seed, but that's what we've been told. Oh, they do have slightly different markings. Alfredo from Lophophora Peru was amazing in terms of customer service and assistance, and his PDFs for instructions and everything. And after reviewing them again, I think we can set these in here without holding them. Actually, it's not working. It's because these are shorter stems, so let's put some substrate in first so they have something to rest on. So here are the finished pots. It's going to be a long time before they need to be transplanted. These cactuses are already 4 years old, so you can see they grow super, super slow.
Peyote originally comes from Texas and Mexico in the desert areas. So they don't like too much water. And when you water them, you have to have a specific method. So generally, it's recommended that you submerge them for 4 hours in water. So like 3/4 of the way, you submerge them for 4 hours, and then you thoroughly drain them before putting them back in their original area, which should be sunny, but have some shade. So you don't want them to have like intense UV rays. So in the main part of the day, they should be in the shade, and then the rest of the hours, they should be in the sun.
Park shade at high noon.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. And then when you water them, it can be, depending on where you live, it's anywhere from 10 days to 8 weeks. So if you live in very dry areas, it might be 10 days. But the way that you know when to water them is that the substrate becomes completely dry, like this.
Bone dry.
And the substrate has to stay dry for several days before you even water them.
Okay.